Good morning, guys. Hello. We'll start in a few minutes. Good morning, everybody. What up? Good morning, good afternoon. All right, hello guys. Hello, give me 2-3 minutes. I'm just gonna make some coffee, get some questions and tickers in, and I will be with you probably in 2-3 minutes. Right, just gonna make some coffee and I'll be back. Questions, tickers, anything stock related, trading related, anything with Discord, anything about my charts, feel free to ask. Right, we'll start in 2-3 minutes. See you shortly. All right, hello everybody. What up? Let me just post the link out again so we get more people in here. I don't expect many because everyone's sleeping on a Monday. Lazy people, when that should be the best day of the week, apart from Friday. Live trading now on YouTube. Ooh. Right, how was everybody's weekend? Was it good? Was it fun? Was it exciting? I don't watch UFC personally, but I went to go watch the UFC in Abu Dhabi. The experience, it was okay. Not really my scene, to be honest with you. Because I feel like it's a hit or miss. Some flights were so boring. The other ones, a couple were good, but yeah, I don't know. I don't really watch it. Obviously, it wasn't a main event. It was just like I guess the up and coming fighters. I think, I don't know, the older guys, but it was alright. It was cool. Radio. Good morning. MAIA up 10%. We have a level here, 220. Why 220? Let's see why it's 220. Probably left. resistance here. So MAIA, I would wait for 220. The reason why it's 220 is because you have clean range to the upside, which is right over here at 274. So I'd wait for 220 on MAIA. I know there's news, but at the moment, nothing. MAIA, wait for 220 break. Hey, good morning. What up? What up, totes? RVPH gap fill. Enjoy the coffee, thank you. Daily gap fill here. It does have a gap fill, you're correct. So what we can do is we can go from here to the start of the gap to here. I think it's already starting to fill it. Yeah, it's at 0.52. So the start of the gap fill has already happened. Obviously you can't see it now because on the daily time frame, which I'm on right now, you cannot see it because daily does not have extended after hours for some reason. But this is what you have, daily gap fill. It does have a gap fill, yes. So it's already started the gap fill, which is very good. Is it going to fill the gap? I have no idea. Personally, we just stick to realistic targets. But I will keep this on the watch list probably for Hassie. It's under $1. We'll see how this one is. It used to be $1. VRAR. What's happening with VRAR? VRAR. Also, pre-market will be slower than normal. It's Monday. It's usually how it is. VRAR. No volume on this. Absolutely no volume. For me, when I'm trading something like this, I avoid it because I'm not interested in something like this because it's difficult to trade and it won't respect technicals. Oh shit, my chart is not working. What an idiot. Sorry. Apologies, 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 apologies. What an idiot. Sorry. Fixed. VRAR, wait for 177 break. Sorry, apologies. Let's see. Let me have a look. Did it change now? Ah, there we go. Apologies. Let me go through those charts again quickly. Just a quick one. MAIA has no volume, so this one, nothing for me on it. 220 break you need, because here's a resistance to break to the upside. The other one was RVPH. It does have a gap fill, yes. I just drawn it here. It's already starting to fill the gap. As you can see, this was the start of the gap fill, now pushing up. Resistance at 0.58, or I'd put like 0.6. Then you have clean range all the way to 0.74. So I wish you luck on that one. VRAR, just went over that one as well. This one didn't have much volume. Yeah, maybe above 177. COSM, interesting 5-day chart. I don't use 5 days personally. On the 4-hour, we can see what's happening. 0.75 is a key level, then 0.825. So let me look left. Let me look left. So left we have 0.75. This is the next psychological level right here. And if you see, there's a lot of rejections around this level. So 0.75. Just going to focus on this chart part here. Don't need to have the whole chart up. A lot of people, when they're starting out trading, they don't really zoom into their chart, right? You need to zoom in. Zoom in. It's not clear, then you need to zoom in more so your chart can look like mine. Otherwise, it's just going to be extremely difficult to read the candles and know what's going to happen. 0.25. And then 0.85. These are your next key levels for COSM. Obviously, it's in a bullish trend right now, low volume. So for me, not interested, but good luck. Bullish trend. How do I know it's bullish? Because if I look left, the trend is going up. Going up, it's going up, it's going up. All right, first of all, everybody should like up the stream. We have 75 people in here and we have 15 likes. Should be able to get more. Should get to at least 500 likes. Push the gas. QS and RZLV. QS, they haven't run in a while, these Q stocks. QS. QS pulling back into maybe a falling wedge. Let's have a look. Go through here. I'm going to go through these wicks. We have that, and then yeah, we can draw possible falling wedge. We have a demand zone as well, which is nice. Demand zone is where you want to probably look for entries. So we can look left now on the chart and identify, okay, where is the demand zone? Demand zone is last red candle for the move to the upside like this. So yeah, chart looks pretty good. I actually kind of like this setup. These are due a run, meaning they should get running soon, because this is what stocks do. They go up and they come down. Just needs some news or some kind of catalyst for this to go up, or even just for the sector in general. But yeah, I'm expecting a breakout. Looks good. Down 5%. Yeah, didn't really have a good day on Friday, and right now as well. Leave MCVT. Do not trade MCVT. They dropped an offering. Okay, so yeah, QS is looking good. I have this on my watch list already. QS, RZLV. RZLV, what is this? AI theme. It's only $3, which is good. For me, probably above this, to be honest. Like 340 level, I'd be interested, just because at the moment there's nothing exciting going on. Like, you're in a random range here. Maybe above like 320 you could look for possible entries on it, but I would personally wait for 320. Close above 320, then you have a lot of range to the upside. Clean range all the way, probably up to like 375. So we have RZLV, wait for 340 break. Right, if you want to enter now, you can. It's still an uptrend, but for me, I need some volume and bullish momentum. I also see SRFM rising. SRFM, what's happening here? SRFM rising? It is not rising, it's up 0.3%. You are in a demand zone. For me, the way I would trade this is here, because over here there is too much noise. Look, we have a resistance here, and then we have a resistance here, and then here. So for me, I would just simply wait for 639 break. Break 639, and then you can go and fill all the way up to 725, around that level. So that's what I would focus on. Yes, of course, it looks like it's in a bullish trend right now, but I like to trade for extra confirmation. So personally, wait for 639. SRFM, wait for 639 break. Nothing is showing. Sorry, I fixed that. SDM. What's happening with SDM? SDM, another extremely low volume play. For me, not my style of trade. Yes, it's in a bullish trend. That's the only positive thing I can tell you about it. However, in order for it to have continuation, you need more volume. LIDR is right here. I like this play for today. Gonna watch 590 break for today for entries. It's looking good. Reversing off this $5 demand zone level. Very nice. Reclaiming VWAP as well. Big fan of this play. We'll watch this today. Relida is reclaiming VWAP. Close above VWAP could look for possible entries, so you could wait 3 minutes for a candle to close above to look for possible entries. Three letters. This one just had news. Or pull back to VWAP. Give me 1 sec. Let me just get these Discord people to get in here. Join live trading if you want me to chart. Not going to post on here. Okay, cool. All right, back. We're back. VWAV, VWAV. I went over this one. Let me just add this VWAV to watch this. So yeah, VWAV's here. 4-hour time frame. Let's have a look and see. Obviously, you have a wick fill here, which it looks like it's probably going to push to. 5.9 is quite high actually from where it is. Just going to mark these key levels so I know if I do trade this later what these resistance levels are. 5-minute time frame, obviously very bullish. I don't like to trade something that is causing or forming strong top wicks like this. Indicates that sellers are pushing the price down. Also, I would not buy it here because it's a high day. I like to wait for maybe a pullback because I know it will come down at some point. It will come down and then I will look for entries here for it to go up. That's what I personally would look for. Right now to enter, nothing for me. You have to take an entry for whatever reason. Because you are a gambler, then write it down on a piece of paper and say, I got in this trade. Otherwise, you're just gambling away. Another gambling way is above 442. Can't see it, no charts. Yes. NVNI, is this back up or what's going on with this? NVNI. I think I moved it. Yeah, I watch this. NVNI, nothing going on here. A lot of strange top wicks. This just shows a lot of indecision. Not really clear what's going on. We are just going up and down, up and down, up and down side here, right? We're looking for an entry. The best way to do it is get above 0.6. Why? Because that shows it's breaking out of a resistance. It's breaking out of its consolidation and it shows there's a bullish momentum. And that buyers are in control. And if buyers are in control, you know they are going to push it up. So 0.6 break is a possible entry point for me. I don't trade under $1, so not interested. All right, cool. Can you guys also please like up the stream? Also, don't spam any tickers. I see your first ticker you posted, so do not spam it. There are a lot of tickers here, so bear with me. SDM, nothing on this, absolutely nothing. Did this one already. SDM, vape, boom. Boom, another one, just in a bullish trend. That's all I can tell you. If you're looking for, I don't know what you're trying to do on this setup. Maybe I would look for like long entries above probably 950, big psychological to push up. But there's this whole range here as a resistance level. SMX, gonna watch this one again today. Obviously it's in a downtrend right now. If you're looking for an entry, I would wait for it to close above the downtrend or at least above VWAP to look for any entries on this. I would not buy it now. I don't know what to do when it's in a downtrend. MCVT would just avoid this. They dropped an offering. Whether it reverses or not, I don't care. Not interested at all. We were waiting for VWAP. It did not close above VWAP. It actually rejected there, so that is why we did not take the trade. At the moment, it is in a downtrend and bearish. I personally, if I was you, and if you want to make money, stay away from the stock because it is going down right now. You know, this one dumped big time. It's reversing. Did it reverse? No. Yeah, I mean, one thing you can do on this is just I had a huge dump the day it ran up, so for me, maybe above 470. I don't really like something that has just dumped like this and now it's consolidating. It's not really a chart pattern or whatever you want to call this kind of trend. So I would wait for 470 break. That'll give you the best chance of possibly looking for any entries on this. BTOG, be careful with BTOG. This one has a bit of a weird play. Yeah, BTOG's not respecting anything. BTOG's just in a downtrend at the moment, so we can draw the trend like this. I'm using the 4-hour downtrend right now. Maybe if you want to look for entries, I would look for entries in this demand zone around here. Best possible setup would possibly be down there. Buy a step in here every time it gets to around this level, it should reverse. Please keep a stop loss if you enter the trade. Wait for pullback into demand zone. If it doesn't pull back into demand zone, then you do not take the trade. Easy as that. GTI, I saw pushing up. Someone talked about it and then it wasn't really doing much. Yeah, GTI only entries about 0.16. I saw it here pushing up and then left it. ANGH wedge setup. Here, yeah, you can say it's in a wedge. And you can say it's in demand zone. It is also just below VWAP, I think. But yeah, it's looking all right. Looking not too bad before open. Falling wedge, demand zone, psychological level as well. Yeah, it has quite a couple things. Look, 0.61. There you go. Yeah, it looks all right. Just have a new trend line like this. There you go. I personally like 0.71 as an entry, but it is still valid to enter now. For me, nothing. I think, where's VWAP? Yeah, it's also below VWAP, just be careful. But good eye on it, well done on that. RDHL. I see everyone's question, just bear with me, alright guys? I'm going through one by one by one by one by one. RDHL, not going to bother, just leave this one alone. I would remove it off your watch list, my friend. It's going down, no volume. It's not my kind of style of trade, unfortunately. Possibly above 250. No problem, my friend. INTS. Yes, here's the Discord link. This is the only Discord link. Live trading will start at open, market open. 1 or 3 months here. In August, the prices will go up to, I think, $140 a month or monthly. But current members, you guys are fine. You're locked in at your price. INTS, for me, what do I see on this? Let's go here. So right now, it's too choppy, no clear trend. Yeah, not really my style, if I'm being honest with you. Whether there is news or not, I don't really care. There's no news that I see on Webull here. So we have this, like that. This, and this, and this. So maybe above 0.35 close. So INTS, wait for close above 0.35. I don't know anything about the company or what's happening, but it's a therapeutics, bio stock. I'm assuming they're gonna have some kind of news coming out and you're holding for it. Best luck, my friend. Cells, for me, I don't get caught up in the news. I've seen cancer news. I've seen all of it. Breast cancer news, whatever it is. Pancreas news. For me, it's nothing. I don't really trade like that. I don't trade based on news. I'm a day trader. I get in a stock because of the volume and the news. This is already out my criteria. It's $40. I only trade stocks between $1 and $10. Right now, there's nothing really going on. If you like the company, like the news, and you see potential, feel free to do what you please. But for me, I'm not interested. What are my thoughts on GNS? I personally don't like GNS. I don't like the stock. I don't know anything about it. I don't know about the company, but it has a very big cult following. I avoid all these kind of plays because they are pump and dumps. They get stupid price targets in it. 99% of new people get in these kind of plays and they lose all their money and they hate the stock market and then they stop trading. This is, in my opinion, not my kind of trade. I can give you a technical setup, which is showing that it should go to the upside. Is it going to go to the upside? I don't know. There's probably a 75% chance based on this chart here for it to go up. Make sure if you do enter and you decide to enter, you have a stop loss and a target. I hit the like button. Yes, it works. I'm also a member in Discord. What up, Game Ball 2003? What up, brother? Boom. Someone asked me about Boom already. Boom, 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 boom. On the weekly on Boom, I'm just going to give you a level because this is a larger time frame. I would buy it above 1032. If you're in it now, I can't help you because I wouldn't be in the stock. Why would I be in the stock that is doing this, which is going down? Maybe when it breaks the downtrend you can, but safe entries would be above 1032. Boom weekly chart. Wait for 1032 break. Guys, I'm also probably going to create an Instagram for a lot of people like to see what's going on in the day, what I do in the day and stuff, and like just share some content on there. Obviously, nothing's going to change on this end on Twitter. I mean, I'm just going to post the exact same thing every day. Nothing's changing. So I just thought I would show some maybe lifestyle stuff, some other videos and stuff. People like to see what I do in my life and day and things. So if you want to do it, I need to create a Twitter handle and all that stuff. But someone's taking Tiger Line trains. I don't know how to get it. Does anyone know how I can get that? I have Tiger Line trading, but I want Tiger Line trades. Anyone know how I can get it? Someone's used it. I refuse to buy it off someone because that's so stupid. And the thing is, I want to try and get it as close to my name as possible because there's going to be a lot of scammers and shit going on. BTCS, is this Bitcoin play? I think it is. Falling wedge should break out of this. At the moment, yeah, it's in a falling wedge. Looks good. Falling wedge, falling wedge, falling wedge. Looks decent. Let me just retweet this link out so we get more people in here. Live trading, live trading. Also, guys, retweet this link. Let's go push the gas. Join up. Join up, join up, join up. BTCS, can you check SMX? SMX right here. Yeah, I'm going to be watching SMX today. Personally, would wait for close above downtrend. Yeah, close above downtrend, then you know it's also above view up as well, which is good. Listen to Johnny Barnes. He says, like up the stream. It's free. You heard him here. ABP, excuse me, ABP, obviously in a bullish trend due to news, and buyers were stepping in before the news happened because it was climbing on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. If I was to take a trade, it would be above here because this is a double top, break above a double top. It should continue to go up. So you have ABPP, wait for 0.4 break. I would not buy it now. I would only buy it above 0.4. ACRS, 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 ACRS. I'm not too sure what you see on this. I have to go to extremely large time frame on this. Not really my style. Daily time frame, gonna maybe get above like 175. The reason I say that is because there's a lot of wick 1, 2, 3, 4 wick rejections here. I don't really use the daily time frame, but I've had to use it on this case because it's not really clear on larger, smaller time frame to indicate what's actually going on. So, but I can tell you if a break can close above this 175, it should continue to go up. So looks like it's trying to reverse, looks alright. ACRS, wait for 175, break above 175. Thank you, no problem, my friend. Open looks good. Banging the table about this 275 break. It's gone. It's going. We're gonna watch this one today. It is breaking out. Anybody take this play? I know a couple of Discord members are in it. Very nice on open. Anyone got in? Why do I have to verify I'm a human? Yeah, very nice on this one. I don't know how much up. 26%. 26 minutes ago, it's up like 7%. Not much. Pony. People ask me about Pony. They have news. There's also a lot of news this week. A lot of news coming in this week. A lot of news. This looks very good for a swing. These are your key levels right here. AI theme as well. Strong AI theme play. I thought this was, oh no, it's not, it's the other one. It's the other stock. Never mind, never mind. I'm not even going to say what I was going to say. Ponies here, it's putting purple. Right. Pancreas News, yes. Afternoon Tiger Bro, what up, Ali, mate? Pancreas News was my band name. Really? NWTG looking good. NWTG looking good. NWTG looking good. I'm not too sure what you see on it. Please tell me, because I don't see anything personally. Based on the 4 hour, there's nothing for me. Maybe all I can tell you is that it's possibly an uptrend. It needs to hold this, and it needs to then break the previous high. So it needs to make a high high. It's made a high low. Now it needs to make a high high. Then it looks good. But at the moment, nothing for me. BITIF, Bitcoin play, blockchain stock. It should be going up with Bitcoin. We have this here. 150. Right here, right here. Perfect. See this? 150 is good. BITF 150 break. I personally, all these blockchain plays is just really a hit or miss, right? Not hit or miss, but it's kind of a situation where you need to, you cannot get in all blockchains, right? Let's say, for instance, there's weed plays, right? There's a weed sector. Okay, you don't get in every single one, right? What's the point in doing that? Yes, maybe people say diversify portfolio, but technically you're not because you're in the same sector. For me, I would just focus on 2 or 3 main ones. So for instance, in Bitcoin, The blockchain stocks are, I would focus on Mara, CLSK, and maybe Riot. Right, that's just my personal preference. Need to look up the company and obviously those kind of things, but yeah, something like that. So same as EV. Like obviously, if you like Tesla, you can obviously invest in Tesla. It's probably the strongest play. These China stocks also good. China EVs, also the chargers and things are good, but I don't know. It's difficult to get in every single play because you're just gonna hope and pray they all run, you know. So it's just kind of focus on two maybe in each sector. That's kind of what I would do. No problem, brother. Rightio, let me go through some plays here. So Open's looking good. We're going to watch this. Nice close above. Counter strategy, beautiful. SMX, need to wait for that downtrend break. Lidder, this is going to be my watch today. I wanted above 590. Why 590? Because that is Friday's high. What else about it? It's going in a strong bullish uptrend. What else about it? We have a large green candle, a lot of volume, strong bullish momentum. A lot of good things going on about this play. I'm not going to buy it now. I'm waiting for $5.90. If it gets to $5.90, then I will look for possible entries. XXII, nothing at the moment. Still in the downtrend. Maybe it'll find support here to push up. No, I'm going to delete this one. Delete this one of my watches. IXHL, another one. It's in a bullish trend. I don't really like these wicks too much. It was a runner last week, so I'm interested. It was down 35% on Friday, which is not good. 134, I'll watch it. Ideally, I want 173. BBAI, very nice setup. Also going to watch this play. I like this play a lot. Bullish pennant, falling, bullish pennant, demand zone. We're getting low volume pullbacks. Looks good. Personally, want $8 because if you look left, there's a lot of rejection. $8. A lot of rejection here and here. So yes. What else do we have? We have UAVs. So UAVs, not really too much is going on. So yes, you can maybe say it's an uptrend like this. For me, I don't like to do that because it's also technically coming in a downtrend. So what I suggest is maybe wait for the high at 313 break. Then I'll look for possible entries on this because it breaks the high. Looking left, what do we have? When's the next resistance? Probably around like 370 level. All right. So that is all I have for today, guys. If you want to join the Discord, the link is here, okay? Right over here. You are welcome to join. There are 3-month and 1-month tier left. And yeah, that's it. Live trading will start in about 20 minutes. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day, morning, evening, afternoon, wherever you are. And I will catch you all